Hey guys, welcome back to Rocky Mountain Backcountry. This is it, you guys. Hey, so stick around for this one. We're taking the rooftop tent on the X3 on its maiden voyage. And the weather, well, let's just say it takes a turn for the worst. You guys get to go on the maiden voyage right here. Check it out. You guys ever wonder if a rooftop tent would work on a sport side-by-side? We're about to find out. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the rooftop tent on a sport side-by-side. So my battery died in the middle of that rainstorm and I didn't want to stop to put a new battery in. So I just beat it to here and got here quick, but check this out, you guys. She got all wet and it's getting kind of dark, but I'm glad I had my dry bag there. I'll tell you guys more about that a little bit later. Got the rooftop tent. Stuff got a little bit dirty back here, but I'm not too concerned about all of that. Anyway, yeah. Whew. I'm gonna set this camera up and let it record while I set this rooftop tent up. And it's starting to rain again. I'm gonna set my timer. See how long it takes me to set this thing up. Ready, set, go. All right, you guys, 5 minutes. My hands are cold. 5 minutes, 2 seconds. We got her set up. All right. Rooftop tent, side by side. X3 rooftop tent, how about it? And it's raining. So, anyway, it's all good, you guys. I am gonna build a fire and dry off and maybe wash a little bit. And I have a movie downloaded on my phone tonight, so I'll check you guys in the morning. We're out of here. I mean, we're here. We're not out of here. We're signing off. for the night. All right, good morning, boys and girls. We did it. Maiden voyage. Got her broke in. First things first this morning. Caffeine. So, I'm going to get some breakfast going. And then, I don't know, if you guys need a tour, I'll walk around this and give you a quick tour. Show you how I got it set up. So, Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Good morning. All right, so I guess if you guys are into overlanding, you like to see what the overlanders eat. Well, if you've watched any of my videos, you know what my favorite breakfast is. I'm gonna slice up a jalapeno cheddar brat, just like this. And that's gonna get fried up. And then I've got a couple eggs that's gonna go in with it. And this time we have some freeze-dried hash browns. We're gonna get some water in those. Get them taken care of here. Rehydrate the freeze-dried hash browns, and we're gonna cook up some breakfast. All right, check it out. Hash browns. Better get some butter in the hash browns, right? Well, not that one. Let's try it again. There we go. How about that handy dandy folding spatula for my micro kitchen? Pepper and some salt. You gotta have salt and pepper on the hash browns. You guys go check out my micro kitchen video. Link right up there. All this is in my micro kitchen in that little 22-inch rigid toolbox. All right, hash browns are going to the edge. Sausage is going in the middle. All right, that's looking good. Time to throw some eggs in there. Whew, for real, you guys, that's more than I can eat. That little Knot Firebox stove, pretty sweet little unit. Gotta grab you one. I think it was like 25 bucks. All right, you guys. Breakfast is served. All right, last thing, I like to wrap my breakfast in a couple of tortillas. We're just gonna warm up a couple tortillas there. All right, that's all we need. Caffeine, food, shelter, and speed, X3 style. And those tortillas are done. Let's give this a shot. Breakfast burritos, Rocky Mountain Backcountry style. I forgot the hot sauce, but it's all good. That'll get me going for the day, you guys. Hang out for the rest of the video. All right, this is the real deal, you guys. I mean, real deal. I'm even airing out my dirty laundry. So, if you didn't check out the ride, well, that ride yesterday was wet. I was expecting a little bit of rain, but I didn't expect to get drenched. But it's all good. And we had a great night's sleep last night. And that is the Silver Wing rooftop tent. I actually bought 2 of them. We're going to put one on my son's pickup. He's got a little GMC Canyon. But anyway, you guys, it sits up there perfectly. And there's the roof rack that I built. Got it bolted down front and back, and we're bolted to the cage in the front and in the rear. You can see that bolt right over there. So it's on there solid. And like I said, guys, I think I mentioned it, that thing only weighs about 90 pounds, so it's less than having somebody else ride with me. The thing is, the weight is up a little bit higher, and I notice it just a little bit around the turns, but like I said, I may or may not have done 80 miles an hour and didn't have any issues. So this chair right here just stows right here and attaches to the bottom of the roof rack, and I've got my kitchen over here. I've got my tools right there. The table stows away right here, and my power bank goes right there, and we're all set up. So check out inside of this thing. I like it. Got the power bank charging my phone here. Of course, Lion Energy Safari LT. Go check those out. That's worth having. And those pillows and these blankets, I fold them up and leave them right in there. And it's all set up and ready to go. Well, by this time in the morning, it's about 10:30. Everything's dried up, and I'm ready to pack that old girl up and go for another little ride. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. Subscribe if you haven't, like if you do, and let's go for a ride. Let's go do some off-road, off-grid, overland. Thanks, you guys. We'll check you next time.